scenic landscapes of Estonia's untouched wilderness require an extra season to explore their wonders. The fifth season marks the floods in Soomaa, a word that translates as the land of bogs. Lose yourself in a slow, immersive journey through these oft wild places, all of which are best explored in a traditional dugout boat, built and used in this magical countryside for centuries. The unique boat is hollowed out from a single tree, usually aspen, with expanded sides and a shallow base. The rare art of boat making is kept alive through a few named master practitioners who transmit their exclusive knowledge through traditional apprenticeships. Take the time to connect with the locals and admire the craftsmanship in their construction, with not a soul in sight but that of the wildlife. Paddle to the beat of birdsong whilst trying to catch the wily and elusive fish. Visit Estonia. It's about time.